Welcome to the Everything Ether podcast, Crypto Course, an introduction to crypto and blockchain technology for you to learn at your own pace. Throughout this 20-video series, we will explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how they are changing the way we interact with money and finance. We will start by diving deep into the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, including an introduction to what they are and how they work. We will also explore blockchain technology and its applications beyond just cryptocurrencies. In the following weeks, we will cover specific cryptocurrencies, including the most popular one, Bitcoin, and explore topics such as mining, transactions, exchanges, investing, as well as security and privacy concerns. Finally, we will explore the real-world applications of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology and discuss what the future might hold for this exciting field. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of the basics of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. You will be able to make informed decisions about investing in them and explore various opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry. You will also understand the implications of this new technology and how it will affect our society and the world. The podcast on this channel will cover the following 8 topics: introduction to cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, mining and transactions, cryptocurrency exchanges, investing in cryptocurrencies, security and privacy, future of cryptocurrencies and real-world applications. Join us on this journey to discover the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Together, let's explore the endless possibilities that this field has to offer.